Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to upgrade your RAM. Now, if you have purchased a high-end configuration laptop in this Thanksgiving, Cyber Monday or Black Friday, you are good. But if you have missed it or if you have planned for future, then this video might be helpful for you. Okay? So in this video, I'm gonna show you that how we will upgrade our RAM. Now, if I talk about myself, so I have this Sony Vaio series of SVF 15 series. It has 2 GB RAM, okay, and hard disk is 500 TB, 500 GB, which is good for me, okay. So for this, what you can do is you could actually go back to your thing. You could open the Chrome, you could go to crucial.com, you could check your configurations. So those details I'm going to provide you in this video. Okay, now once you order this, you would actually get a memory card like this. So I have purchased this. So I have purchased this 4 GB RAM, which came with 35 bucks, $35. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is make sure you shut down your monitor, your computer. Okay, unplug your power supply. Remove your battery. Keep it here. And before we proceed further, I would just like to tell you a couple of other information here. So based on your or depending on your company, like whether you have Dell, HP, Compaq, MacBook, you could see a various design over here. But after 2011 model, most of the things would be similar. Like you'll have the CD drive, you have the USB ports. Okay, this section is for your hard disk. This particular section is for RAM. This is called this section is for your cooling pad, and this is it pretty much. These are my speakers, by the way. Okay, so okay, where is my screw? Okay, so you could have either one screw or two. So you could just open this up. Please be a bit careful because this has some notch at the back side, and you don't want to hurt your laptop with this. Like if you see, I had 1 2 3 4 5 6 notch. After 6, by mistake I think I had broken one of them. It's okay, never mind. Now, as Sony comes with its fancy model, so you could see here is a dust protector which keeps dust coming to my RAM. Okay, I'm gonna keep this here so that this doesn't disturb us. Okay, now this is my RAM. Okay, predefined RAM which comes with 2 GB. So here are two clips, right? Also, I have the option that without touching this, let me just pull out my new RAM. So I have the option, either I can remove this 2 GB RAM and put the 4 GB, or I could go with 2 GB versus 4 GB. Now where different people goes with different opinion. I don't want to go in details with that. So if you want to go as an individual, you could just remove this out like this. I'm going to show you both actually. So you could just plug this and you will see the RAM will come out at 45 degree. You could just remove this out. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is so if you see, right, this bracket has to go inside and that's it. You could just put it here. Okay, press it and you should hear a click sound. That's it, done. Now let me have this also, just for a safe side. Okay, so now, so what I'm going to do is, I have 4 GB and 2 GB, so my laptop should work in 4:2 ratio, and which we're gonna verify after going inside this. Okay, now here's the thing. This isn't seems to be good. Anyway, let me just pull this out. Okay, this, I think they both don't like each other. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna remove it. Let's do one thing. Let's go with 4 GB only. Okay. So I had earlier, I had 2 GB. Now I'm going with 4 GB, which should be fine enough. So I'm just gonna put this back. That's it. Insert your battery. Turn your laptop. Plug it. We're gonna wait for it. Usually, if your RAM is compatible, your motherboard should auto detect it. If not, you could just wait for 5 seconds. If after 5 or 10 seconds also your motherboard is not able to detect your RAM, it means there is a mismatch, and then you have to work out. Okay? Hopefully that should not be the case with us. We're just gonna wait for a second. Because this is the first time, so it's gonna take some time, and we should be okay with this. Okay, now so we'll go inside properties. It did not came yet. We're gonna wait for a second. Okay, so if you could see here now, the RAM is now 4 GB. Okay, which is fine now. So with this, we came to our conclusion. This is pretty much it. If you like this video, please do not forget to like this, share with your friends, and subscribe it so that I could upload some more videos. Thank you.